Hey everybody, Jeff Maher here, and today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, what it is, how you can get started to earning passive income every day, and stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you a unique product that's available that'll give you a head start and put you in the front of the pack. I've spent the past 20 years promoting products both as a television anchor and an affiliate marketer. I can tell you that affiliate marketing is by far one of the best ways to make money online. On a side note, be sure to hit the like button down below, and I always appreciate new subscribers as well. So let's jump right in. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where individuals or businesses promote products or services on behalf of a company and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their referral. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the merchant. As an affiliate, you'll be provided with a unique affiliate link or code that tracks the traffic and sales that you generate. This link ensures that you receive credit for your referrals, allowing you to earn commissions. There are a ton of companies out there looking for people just like you to help promote their product. So how does it all work? Let's break down the process of affiliate marketing into simple steps. Number one, choose your focus. Select a focus or industry that aligns with your interests or expertise. This will help you connect with your audience more effectively. For example, mine is with Amazon products and new gadgets because I love featuring new products and giving people cool gift ideas. Number two, find affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your focus. Many companies, large and small, have affiliate programs, so you'll have plenty of options. ClickBank is a great resource in particular. Number three, sign up as an affiliate. Once you find a suitable affiliate program, sign up and get approved as an affiliate partner. This step usually involves providing some basic information about yourself and your promotional methods. Number four, promote the products. Now it's time to promote the products or services. Utilize various marketing channels such as your website, blog, social media platforms, or email marketing to reach your target audience. Remember, it's important to be authentic and transparent when promoting products. Your audience values what you have to say, so provide honest reviews and recommendations. Number five, drive traffic and conversions. Use your marketing skills to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This can be done through content marketing, search engine optimization, paid advertising, or even collaborations with other influencers. Number six, track and optimize. Most affiliate programs provide you with analytics and reports to track your performance. Analyze that data, identify what works best, and optimize your strategies accordingly to maximize your earnings. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of affiliate marketing. Number one is the obvious one, passive income. Once you set up your affiliate links and establish a steady stream of traffic, you can earn passive income as long as that traffic continues to drive in the form of referrals and that it converts to sales or actions. Number two, flexibility and scalability. Affiliate marketing offers flexibility in terms of when and where you work. You can manage your affiliate business from anywhere, and as you gain experience, you grow your audience and your earning potential scales up. Number three, minimal startup costs. Compared to starting your own business or creating your products, affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. You can get started with a website or social media presence and gradually expand your efforts. To wrap up, let's share some essential tips to find success with affiliate marketing. Number one, choose quality products. Promote products that you genuinely believe in and that you believe provide value to your audience. Building trust is key to long-term success. Number two, understand your audience. Get to know your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. Tailor your content and promotions to address those specific needs. Number three, stay up to date. Keep yourself informed about the latest industry trends, product launches, and marketing techniques. Continuous learning will help you stay ahead of the curve. Number four, build a strong online presence. Invest in creating a professional website or blog and engage with your audience on social media platforms. Consistency and engagement are vital for building a loyal following. Remember, affiliate marketing requires effort, dedication, and patience, but with the right strategies and a genuine passion for what you promote, it can become rewarding and very profitable as you move forward. Now I want to tell you about a very resourceful product that's out there that'll take you through a step-by-step process to fully automate your affiliate marketing business and make money while you sleep. It's called the easiest system ever. I have a link to it in the description box below. They offer free regular webinars that you can sign up for. It's perfect for beginners, but even if you know a thing or two about affiliate marketing, they're going to share some things that may come in the form of tricks that you have not thought of before. So it's a smart thing to do. The creators of the program have invested several years into researching the best methods and which mistakes to avoid, so it's nice to know that you can use that knowledge right away, and it will certainly save you time in finding that path to success. So check it out, let me know what you think of their webinar, and keep it right here on this channel for more updates. I'll see you next time.